Hi, I'm Henry. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to link your tanks in series using our tank-to-tank connector kit. Each kit comes with all the fittings that's needed. An elbow kit for the first tank in your setup. A T-piece kit for adding extra tanks in series. Extension kit for connecting tanks over longer distances and around obstacles. 50mm PVC pipe supplied in the same distinctive dark grey as our kits for a premium uniform look. Both the elbow and T-piece kits include a ball valve that connects directly to your tank, a union fitting that connects to your pipework. The only difference is the shape of the connector. The one has an elbow and the other one a T-piece. The kits also include a 50-40 adapter and a 40-25 reducer for smaller connections. Start by fitting the elbow kit to your first tank. Fit the ball valve assembly onto the tank outlet. Attach the elbow assembly by screwing it onto the valve. Insert your PVC pipe into the union and glue it in place. For the last tank, we repeat the same steps. Fit the ball valve assembly, insert the pipe, then attach the T-piece fitting. From here, we're going to connect to the pump. To keep it easy, we're using our 25mm pump to tank connector kit. So we simply add the adapter, fit the pump connector kit, connect it to the pump inlet. From your pump, you can now tie into your municipal connection. For this, we recommend a qualified plumber or registered installer.